keep going.
Come on, come on, come on.
Reps, come on.
So the combine prep process is getting these college players that just finished their career ready for the biggest interview of their lives. It's really about defining their weaknesses and seeing what imbalances they might have. And when you look at conditioning, you look at power, you look at strength and speed, nutrition really plays a role in recovery, which affects all of those elements. And the 24 line gives us the product that can really adapt to those specific goals and maximize everything we're trying to do with that athlete.
At Herbalife, we're really trying to push the envelope on performance and be more than just a nutrition or a sponsor. It's really about being a full performance partner with our athletes and teams. Education's a big thing for the athletes in that it's really trying to educate them about what goes into their bodies directly impacts their performance.
You know, I feel like I'm getting stronger, much faster. I had no knowledge of nutrition before training. I mean, I had a little bit of something, but I never really followed it until I got to Proactive.
As far as eating right, drinking right, before workouts, after workouts, I didn't know much about hydrating and stuff like that. So I think the Herbalife has helped out a lot.
Being a leader in sports performance is really about trying to measure something and improve it. So we've got a lot of biochemical machines. We can measure urine, we can track creatine kinase and muscle damage. And Ryan at Proactive's got a lot of machines that really measure performance directly on the field. Together we can really bring science to the field and improve these guys.
You're going to see a big difference in not only conditioning, but speed, power, and agility, because really nutrition is going to affect recovery. And the faster that these guys can recover, the more power output they're going to have, the better they're going to ultimately test. So there's a really big element that nutrition and supplements play in training.